How to use IPv6 proxies on iOS. Go to the dashboard and find your IPv6 package. Once you're in the plans generator, set up the country settings and hit Update Changes. Then head back to the home screen and open the Potasto app. Click on Add a Proxy, then hit Add again. Change the type to HTTP or SOC5. Go back to the generator and pick between rotating and sticky proxies. If you choose sticky proxies, you can set each session to be static for anywhere from 1 second to 24 hours. Set how many proxies you want. Then copy the proxy details. After that, go back to the app and paste in the host port, username, and password. Click Done and then run the proxy.